Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Freenom website, which a lot of people have encountered recently. So first I'm gonna go to the website freenom.com and then try to type any domain, like follow the steps. Check availability. As you can see, when trying to get the domains, the free ones, it keeps saying not available, even the paid ones. To fix this problem, you can easily type your domain followed by the suffix you need. In my case, I'm going to choose TK. You can choose anything and then check availability. As you can see, I have the domain in the cart and now I can go to checkout. Okay, choose the period you need. I'm going to choose a year, which is the maximum available period, and click continue. Now it asks you to sign up. After entering the email, you need to verify it. Now you need to fill in all the information. Now I filled in all my information. So make sure you check this box and click complete order. As you can see the confirmation of the domain, click here and then let's go to my domains. You can see that I already have the domain, which is active. You can click manage. You can see that the expiry date is gonna be the next year, and it's active, and you can connect to this domain directly with your website. As a matter of fact, it takes some time to be active on your website. It may take up to 48 hours. It's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.